Myself, Dr. Niranjan R.S., Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government First Grade College for Women, Valanersipura. Now I am going to discuss about the density of states at nanoscale in nanoscale systems unit. What is mean by density of states at a nanoscale? Density of states is the number of states per unit volume available to the electrons to occupy. In crystalline solid, the number of electron energy states per unit volume over the energy interval E and E plus dE are called density of states. In a crystalline solid, the energy and volume density of the electronic states change across the energy band. Generally, the number of energy levels which corresponds to electronic wave function in the crystal. In the crystalline central region of the band, are expected to be very large. That means in the central region, the energy levels are more. Means energy density is maximum in the central region. In case of 3D structure, density of states for 3-dimensional nanostructure is rho e 3D equals 1 over 2 pi square 2 m star h cross square to the power of 3 by 2 e difference e potential to the power of half, where m star is the electron effective mass in a band. E potential is the potential energy which may be the conduction band edge or the valency band edge respectively, and h is the Planck's constant. H cross we can calculate by considering h cross as h by 2 pi, that is 1.0546 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules seconds. If we look into the two-dimensional nanostructures, in two-dimensional nanostructures, density of states is in quantum well. The confinement of carriers in one spatial direction results in the formation of quantum states for motion in this direction. The density of states in 2D structures is rho e 2D equals m star over pi h cross square sigma h e minus ei, where m star is the electron effective mass in a band. H e minus ei is the high side function. It takes the value of 0 when e is less than ei, and it takes the value of 1 when e is equal or greater than ei. Ei is the ith energy level inside the 2D quantum well. If you look into the one-dimensional nanostructures and their densities in quantum wires, motion of charge carriers are allowed only in one direction and other two directions are quantized. Density of states in the case of 1D structures is rho e d 1D equals 1 over pi 2 m star over h cross square to the power of half sigma ni h e minus ei over e difference ei to the power of half, where m star is the electron effective mass in a band. H e minus ei is the high side function and ni is the degeneracy factor. This is the pictorial representation of degrees of freedom and density of states. Degrees of freedom in 1D, 2D and 3D structures, and density of states with respect to energy graphs are plotted. It is a symbolical representation of density of states with respect to energy. In case of 3D structure, density of states exponentially increases, that is e to the power of half. The first figure represents that exponential increase of density of states in case of 3D structure. If we look into the 2D structure, density of states remains constant. It will not increase or decrease. The density of states remains as it is. But if you look into the one dimensional structures, in this case, we observe the exponential decrease in the density of states, that is e to the power of minus half. This is about the density of states at nanoscales. All this information we gathered to this PPT and their references are mentioned here. Thank you.